Taking short breaks throughout your workday can actually improve productivity and focus. Many people believe that working non-stop for long periods of time leads to higher productivity. However, research has shown that taking breaks can actually enhance your ability to concentrate and be more efficient in your work. When we work for extended periods, our brains become fatigued, resulting in decreased focus and productivity. By taking short breaks, we give our brains a chance to rest and recharge. This allows us to come back to our tasks with renewed energy and concentration. Short breaks also provide an opportunity to engage in activities that can boost creativity and problem-solving skills. Whether it's taking a walk, practicing mindfulness, or simply chatting with a coworker, these activities can stimulate new ideas and fresh perspectives. In addition, short breaks can help prevent burnout and reduce stress. By giving ourselves regular breaks, we can alleviate the physical and mental strain associated with prolonged periods of work. This can lead to better overall well-being and job satisfaction. To make the most out of short breaks, it's important to plan them strategically. Schedule regular intervals throughout your day, and use these breaks to engage in activities that truly help you relax and recharge. Avoid spending your breaks in front of a screen, as this can contribute to mental fatigue. In conclusion, taking short breaks is not a waste of time, but rather a beneficial practice that can lead to increased productivity, improved focus, and reduced stress. So, the next time you feel overwhelmed with work, remember to give yourself the well-deserved breaks you need.